Hello everyone, my name is G. Loitaks and I am today presenting my project titled Smart Radar Based Detection System using ESP32 and sensor fusion. This, the system combines ultrasonic sensor MPU6050 for monitoring and tracking the objects and a magnetometer for detecting orientation of the object. It is also including a real-time interactive dashboard with radar visualization and 3D orientation tracking. The project overview is the main goal of this project is to detect the objects and track their position in real time while also monitoring the orientation of the system. The system performs three key tasks: detection of objects using ultrasonic sensor and tracking the objects with MPU6050, and magnetometer acts as a compass and it displays in a live dashboard using serial communication, and a 3D visualization also added in the dashboard. This project demonstrates concepts of sensor fusion. Sensor fusion is the combining of multiple sensors data and algorithm to create more accurate, reliable and comprehensive system to understand of an environment. By using a single sensor, we are combining multiple sensors. That concept is called sensor fusion. This is my hardware setup. In this hardware setup, I am using ESP32 as a main MCU processing unit and ultrasonic and servo motor. Ultrasonic sensor is mounted on a servo motor, which the servo motor rotates in 0 to 180 angle 80 degrees and performs a radar scanning. The MPU6050 sensor provides a pitch, roll and yaw angles for and I am using a magnetometer which acts as a compass. For alert, I am using buzzer. For MPU6050 and magnetometer, I2C protocol is used, and buzzer I connected to GPIO2, which has an ADC. All these components are connected through I2C and GPIO pins of the ESP. The working flow of the project is: the system works. The servo motor and the ultrasonic sensor scan the environment like a radar. At each angle, the ultrasonic sensor measures the distance of nearby objects. Simultaneously, the MPU6050 calculates the pitch, roll using Kalman filter for stable orientation. The magnetometer provides yaw value, which represents the heading direction of the object. All these values are combined and sent to the dashboard through serial communication. Now I started my dashboard. On the left hand side, we can see the radar visualization. It shows scanning angle and detected objects in real time. On right hand side, we have a distance, compass, orientation, object detection and a 3D view and distance log. The distance shows the current detected distance. The compass shows heading direction using magnetometer, and the orientation shows the pitch and roll angles which comes from MPU6050. Whenever the object detected, it shows the alert with distance and the direction of the object. The On the below we have a distance log graph that tracks the changes over the time. Additionally, we have a 3D visualization model that represents the orientation of the system. The model tilts according to the pitch and roll angles. Whenever my serial port is connected to my dashboard, it indicates live, and there is a radar sweep. Whenever the object detects that, it shows the distance according to this, and the compass show the yaw angle of my system. And whenever my object tilt according to the pitch angle, the 3D model also rotate according to the my system. And rolls according to the my system. The compass show the yaw direction according to the north and south pole, according to the magnetometer direction. Whenever the object is detected below 50 centimeters, above centimeters the object will not detect, and it scans the entire environment. Above 50 centimeters, the radar will scan the entire environment. Whenever the object is detected below 50 centimeters, the buzzer will in on condition. The key features and applications of the project is real-time radar scanning, accurate orientation tracking using sensor fusion, interactive dashboard visualization, and a 3D model which is integrated to the dashboard. The system can extend applicable for robotics, drone navigation, and smart surveillance system. Thank you for V2V guys for giving this opportunity. This is G Loitax signing off.